This is Wiltshire, the Westwoods. Good morning, welcome to Going to Ground. And a foggy shroud has descended over the woods this morning. Been taking some photographs of those trees. I love the half-seen shapes of nature when the mist descends. And it's not unlike my state of mind these last couple of mornings as I've walked out, where a cloud of unknowing has similarly descended. Are you like that sometimes first thing in the morning? That's partly why I walk out early, in order to burn off the haze. But I think that's beautiful. And sometimes when I'm feeling hazy, I like to walk into the mist. It feels suitable. And then sometimes, quite often actually, by the time I'm heading back, it's beginning to clear in both ways. How are you today? Tuesday. It was a bit of a challenging day, Tuesday, isn't it, in the week? It's curious how the days of the week have their own psychology to them, or their own kind of certainly state of mind, even though it is all in the mind. The days of the week are a human invention, or if you read the book of Genesis, a divine invention, but we named them. We imbue them with meaning in the way that we arrange the days towards rest and work. But Tuesday is a facing in kind of day, it seems to me, always. A day to make some progress by the middle of the week and to cut through things and get things done. But that depends upon the season of life. And certainly in seasons of lockdown, the days are typically much the same. We're having to deliberately choose to do things slightly differently at the weekend in order to remember that it is the weekend. And we're losing our way slightly in all of that. But what is true for the days of the week is certainly true for the seasons of life. Just panning round because it's so lovely. And there are different degrees, therefore, of fruitfulness in the different seasons of life. You'll be fully aware of that. And in the breaking it down to the days of the week, a different kind of fruitfulness will come from a Tuesday, maybe than a Sunday, depending on how you approach it, what you can see, what's possible for you, what the demands upon you are. And so my advice today for us all is to pursue the fruitful place. There's that line in the Psalms, I think I've read it a couple of times now, in Psalm 1 at the beginning, where it says, talks about the river planted by the stream of water. You know, we've done that by the Winterbourne. And it describes the person rooted in God and rooted in place as bearing fruit in due season, whose leaves bear fruit in due season. And we shouldn't worry about not being able to pursue the fruit that we would do in our most fruitful seasons if that's not the day of the week or the time of the year or the time of our life or our state of mind. But what is the appropriate fruitfulness, the possible fruitfulness, building on yesterday's do what you can maxim for this day? And pursue the fruitful place, I'm saying to myself this morning. Pursue the fruitful place. Be fruitful today as you can be in all that's before you. And see what begins to bud. God bless you as you go to ground.